3 tips for staying healthy while traveling. This is part 3. I'm Dr. Krista, and I'm a natural gut health expert, here to give some friendly suggestions on what you can do while you're traveling to still stay healthy, because we all know that's a really hard time to keep our routines down. So part 3 is really about movement. A lot of us fall off when we're on vacation. So again, planning ahead, look for places that potentially have gyms. Hotels can have really great gyms. Maybe they even have some stuff in there that you haven't used before that can be kind of fun to switch up a routine. Or if you're not staying in a hotel but an Airbnb or you're camping, the best thing that I like to bring along, and my husband as well, are resistance bands, because they're super light. You can pack them, whether it's a backpack or a suitcase, and you can kind of attach them to anything, a pole, a tree, a fence. And there are so many exercises you can do, even just your own feet, right? You can utilize as kind of anchors for doing exercises. So highly recommend bringing resistance exercises. So like this video if you plan to bring some resistance bands along with you on your next trip. Secondly, you can always take stretching breaks. Part of vacation is self-care and healing and soothing, and stretching is so much a part of that. So whether you're out at the beach or you're hiking, make sure you're getting your stretching in. Really wonderful to relax and rest those muscles that have been working hard for you each and every day. And in addition to that, as I chatted about before, really making sure that you're staying hydrated, getting in a lot of those electrolytes, especially if you're somewhere warm where you're sweating a lot or out in the sun. Really important to keep up that hydration intracellularly in your cells, not just extracellularly. So that's where the electrolytes come in. If you can't find electrolytes, you can always bring powders with you, or some pink Himalayan salt or sea salt can do the trick. But there's also things like coconut water that can be just as hydrating as some of these other things. Just be mindful of sugar. So if you'd like to get some more tips on natural, healthy living, practical ones that you can use no matter what you're doing, how to live a healthy lifestyle, then subscribe to our page and I'm happy to share more.